Whoa! He's lost his canopy.
Count that as a success.
It is.
How did it fly? It looked good?
Yeah, really easy to fly. It's really nice.
Good.
Finally a successful maiden flight, which we've just had. The canopy did come off and got broken on one of the tail feathers, I think, but that's an easy fix. This is a Vought Cutlass, less than successful naval fighter of the Cold War. Powered by a 50mm FMS fan, and its design is by Kyle from Built Fast. Happy to say we've finally got one to fly well, and this one's a beauty. So if you're thinking about a Cutlass, get it. It's definitely worth flying.
Look at the size of those rudder fins. That's tail fins. It's huge.
Plenty of directional stability, as you might expect.
Yeah, it looks nice and stable in the air, much like the is it the Skyray?
Skyray, yeah.
Skyray looks good too.
Yeah, Kyle does have a video where he compares this with the Skyray to try and figure out which one's the easiest to fly. I can't remember which one won, but the fact it made it to the video at all means it's a pretty easy flying plane.
I'd say they're both easy to fly from my observation.
Yeah, but this one's a keeper, so we'll fix up the canopy and she's ready for a paint job.